Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So this is going to be an ice skating vlog. I'm going to take you guys with me to the rink. I haven't been on the ice in a few months. That is just like so crazy to me. I've actually been recovering from a knee injury. So I just wanted to give myself some time off, recover, and take a break from everything essentially. The gym, stretching, and the ice. But I am back and I'm feeling so much better. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm here at Edge Skate Shop. It's actually where I got my first pair of figure skates. I've never gotten my blades sharpened before. I'm so excited. He's probably like, okay, let's sharpen the blades now.
You got those here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those are a good skate.
Yay. I have the Jackson Evo. I've had them for about a year and a half now. I might have to get new skates soon. Silkers, even though I think I showed my vlog this before. Oh, and you always want to dry your blades with a microfiber cloth.
Punches. This one's been punched, so it goes on here if they're getting a bad ankle on there.
Nice.
Or you can change it. Problems with the little toes around here. You put a different one on, so it makes a bump like that. So we're constantly shaping the skates to keep them comfortable. This is what adjusts to the various different hollows in here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. So you have an edge on either side, so you have an outside edge and an inside edge, and then the hollow. So depending on how deep you create that hollow, the blades will feel sharper or duller.
Right.
The measurements, these measurements here, are what these are. So if you continue that circle around, this is a radius measurement from there to there. This one here would be faster, but it would be less grippy. Mm-hmm. So you wanted what you need. Most common are in here.
Yeah, I was thinking the medium.
These can be a little difficult to skate on because they're very fast, but they can slide out. It's difficult to hold the edge, so you've really got to dig your knees in to hold the edge. These ones are a little bit more common, but it's harder to stop on these because the blade is going
to... Okay.
Please check the levels. They're pretty level. I can see that this side's too high. This side is high, so I need to hit this side first. It's a little bit high compared to this one, so I need to bring this down just a tiny bit. And it's about 2 millimeters off. So this is going to come down to match the front.
Oh, okay, now I'm on my toes, I see. Oh my goodness. It's like they're brand new.
Yep.
Guys, definitely check out Edge Skate Shop in West Orange, New Jersey. I was given so much information, so excited. That was my happy dance. But yeah, they have everything skating related. I love it. Guys, I'm being insanely obnoxious. bone straight, just how I wanted it. I'm so happy. Loving my hair. Okay, so I definitely 1000% need a haircut, but this is just gonna have to do for now. So yeah, the goal is to get my hair done every 2 weeks now. My hair is very fine and I have very tight curls. So when my hair is in its natural state, you know, it's more likely to tangle, and my hair grows faster when it's straightened. So staying on top of my hair, making sure that I get it done every 2 weeks, I think is gonna promote hair growth. Like, the issue is not it growing, it's the length retention. Like, I need to be pulling less at my hair, less tugging, less hairstyles, like less detangling my hair. Like, that's what's really gonna get my hair to retain its length. Fine hair and really tight curly hair is no joke. It is a lot of maintenance. A lot. But yeah, we're gonna get it cut for sure. Next time I get my hair done in 2 weeks, we're definitely gonna get it cut. I know that it needs to be trimmed. It is clear that I need a trim. Guys, I haven't gotten my hair done since the summer. I haven't gotten my hair done since what, like August? But yeah, I'm gonna go now and probably wrap my hair or something. Bye. So yeah, this is the top. A vest. I usually wear this while I'm skating. So vest, long sleeve top. These are my leg warmers right here. This cute little bow in my hair. Bows are so popular now, but I always just associate bows with figure skating. And look how popular they've become now. But yeah, I've always been wearing these cute little bows. Here's what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I'm still debating between these two leggings. But since I'm taking photos, you know, you want to be bright. Oh guys, by the way, follow my ice skating page at Ice Marie. I'm gonna put the name down here so you guys can see. Okay, so you know what? This is just gonna end up being the final fit. Also going to wear this bag as well. I think it just matches. Look at these cute little earmuffs. Adorable. Alright, so we got it top, bow, we got the leg warmers, we got the leggings, and we have our vest. Yeah, I think I should be good. I'm okay with this outfit. Oh, I also have these black gloves. Yo, my hair got rained on last night. I don't have my tripod anymore. It was confiscated from me at graduation. I'm gonna have to order a new tripod. I loved that tripod too. I don't know, this is the best I can do. Guys, first of all, I don't know if you noticed, I changed my bow from the white one to this black one right now. I just thought it looked better. The white one was a little too bright. Even with the white top that I have on, it was just a little too bright. But yes, I cannot believe that I'm finally touching the ice for so long since I freaking skated. Like, I'm actually really nervous. It's really important to make sure that you're consistent. Even taking a few days off, even taking a week off can set you back by a lot. So it's really important to keep up with skill set and practice. I really wish this angle was better for you guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, I am so excited for today. I just got my blades sharpened, as you guys know, so I wanted to work on my edges, work on some spins, my crossovers. What else did I want to do today? I wanted to make some Instagram reels. I just have a lot going on with my ice skating. I have a lot of ideas, so stay tuned for that. Guys, look at how I'm literally sweating
and a long sleeve.
My bag is packed. Putting on your skates alone is like a 10-15 minute job. I'm not even kidding. The rink is packed. I am not used to this.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this off. Imagine for just one. That happens all the time though to people.
It happens more than you think.
Yeah, no, seriously. They said it would be hard to stop, and it definitely is hard to stop after getting your blades sharpened. Oh shit!
Guys, it's so packed in here, but I'm gonna try to practice. There's just a tiny bit more space now. I have a circle to myself to practice my crossovers. Typically, people who are practicing will choose the four corners or a circle or the middle of the arena. Always need to be cleaned properly. Fresh and clean again. Y'all, I went to the juice bar and got this green juice. It is so good. I think it's kale, spinach, mango. Damn, there's something else in it that I can't remember right now. I usually go to this Caribbean juice bar
and I go to a different juice bar as well in Montclair that I love so much. It's called Manhattan Juice Bar. This I got from Sunsplash. So good, I'm not even kidding. You can feel